This is kind of fun, actually.
Yeah, who knew a banana leaf could be this cozy?
Looking to create engaging AI story videos like this? Then you are at the right place. Katalist AI is a powerful all-in-one video generator that transforms your script into a complete narrative. With this tool, you can customize visuals, add voiceovers with precise lip sync, and much more. Simply provide a short prompt, and Katalist AI will produce a fully developed story video for you. Whether you're crafting a children's tale or any other type of content, the platform supports a wide range of styles. Best of all, it ensures your characters remain consistent throughout the entire story. Let me walk you through the process step by step and show you how to make the most of this innovative tool.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
After clicking the link in the video description, you'll be redirected to the Katalist AI homepage. Click on Try for free, then create an account. Once you are successfully logged in, your interface will be like this. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find many pre-existing story prompts. You can click on any of them to generate a story through this prompt. But since we already have a prompt, we will click on the New Project button, and from here we will click on the Generate from Idea and Script button. To get started, if you already have a script, you can import by clicking on Upload button, or you can copy or paste your script here, but I prefer to use Katalist AI's own AI script assistant. Just paste your prompt, and select the number of scenes for your story from here. Click the Generate Script button, and it will turn your prompt into a complete story. As you can see, Katalist AI generates a story for you and breaks it down into individual scene prompts. If you don't like a particular scene, you can easily edit it by clicking the pencil icon. Once you're happy with the script, simply click Next to continue. Now, after coming to this page, you can change the title of your story if you want. Choose the aspect ratio for your video, and most importantly, select a style. There are plenty of options available, such as cinematic, anime, comic book, etc., but I will go with cartoon style. And click on the Create Project button. In this next step, Katalist AI has automatically selected a cast for us according to our story. If you don't like any character, you can edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. Here you can change the description of your character, its clothes, and even its voice. By clicking on the Change Appearance button, you can select any of the default characters available here for your character. If you want to create a custom character, then click on Create from Scratch. In the description box, you can describe the character you want to generate, and by clicking on the Upload Face Reference button, you can use the image you have as a face reference. Click on the Save button, and your character will be edited and displayed in front of you. Now I will edit the second character using the same procedure. You can see that we have customized both our characters. Once you are satisfied with your cast, click on the Create Project button to proceed to the next step. Here, you can see that Katalist AI has generated scenes and images for our story based on the script. In the panel above, the cast and locations of the story are displayed. If you would like to make changes, simply click on them and update them by entering a new prompt in the prompt box. If you want to add a new scene after the second scene, simply hover the mouse between the two scenes, and you'll see a plus icon. By clicking on this Edit Frame button, you can easily modify the image. In the left panel, you'll find a generative fill tool that allows you to add any object to your image. You can also use the Object Removal tool to delete unwanted objects from your image. With the help of Camera Control tool, you can crop the image as per your requirement. With the Fine-Tune Current Image option, you can add or modify anything in your image. Just type your prompt in the prompt box. Click on the arrow button, and within moments the image will be updated according to your instructions. Next, we'll select Create New Image. where you can change the location of your image. You can also have manual control over the camera, such as choosing a close shot, medium shot, or long shot, etc. In the same way, you can adjust the camera angle with options like shot from above, shot from below, or shot from behind. I choose shot from above, and click on this arrow icon, and here is the output. After getting the desired image result, we click on the Save button. Now, in this final step we will convert these images into video, for which we will click on this timeline button, and this interface will appear in front of you. Here, by clicking the Add Voice and Music button, you can use the text-to-speech option. Simply enter your text in the text box, select the narrator, and then choose the character you want to appear as speaking. After that, you can pick a voice for your character. If you already have an audio file, you can upload it by clicking the Upload Audio button. Now, to animate these images, click on the Generate All Videos. Choose any model you like from the available options. I selected Google VO3, and then click Generate Videos. And in a short time, here is the output.
Careful now, you're almost there.
I know, I can see you. Yes! Do you think it will rain all day?
I hope not. I wanted to play by the river.
Pretty amazing, in just a few easy steps, you created a fully animated and engaging 3D cartoon video from scratch. Finally, to save the project, click on the Export button and choose your preferred export format. Katalist AI is truly one of the must-have tools for storytelling in this new era of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner exploring your first story ideas or an experienced creator looking to take your narratives to the next level, Katalist AI empowers you to unlock your full creative potential. Step confidently into the future of storytelling with Katalist AI today.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.